wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Mandoline slicers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Kyocera Advanced Ceramic is a lightweight, space-saving option for small homes or to take along on camping trips. With its long, easy grip handle, it's an effortless and expedient way to accomplish the prep work for fancier fare than you'd expect in the great outdoors. It comes with 3 swappable blades and a container with a lid for storage. However, note that you shouldn't use this one with hard seeds or pits. At number 9, the OXO steel has attachments to make everything from long strips to crinkle cuts in a range of thicknesses. Its oversized food holder secures items tightly in place and keeps your hands completely protected as you add some pizzazz to your meals. It features easy-turn dial settings and glides through soft produce, but it's not the best value for money. Coming in at number 8 on our list. In contrast with its name, the benriner Jumbo is a compact handheld unit that makes quick work of veggies and stashes in a drawer easily between uses. But it's not the sturdiest option and may flex a little when pressure is applied. It's also a tad on the pricey side. It takes up very little room and is simple to clean. However, it comes with only one fixed blade. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Mandoline slicers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, equipped with an extremely sharp V-style blade and a convenient handguard to keep your own flesh out of harm's way, the culinary cooking tools can quickly cut gluten-free zucchini lasagna, sweet potato fries, and beet chips for elegant meals or snazzy snacks on the cheap. It's 100% food safe and BPA free, and it's easy to switch the integrated blades, but any last bits of food tend to get stuck in the holder. Moving up our list to number 6, the swissmar börner powerline is made of sturdy ABS plastic, so it won't bow as you push down while slicing. Its surgical steel blades are fabricated with durable razor-sharp edges that last for creatively crinkled crisps and gourmet gratins with delicate thin layers. This one's comfortable for lefties and righties, and the blades snap out easily for cleaning. It comes with a storage caddy. Halfway up our list at number 5, you won't find many quality stainless steel options in the same price range as the Chef's Inspirations Premium. So if you've got limited cash and your heart is set on a more substantial model, this is the one for you. It has 5 different inserts, including a julienne blade. It also comes with a cleaning brush, and the V-shaped blades cut well. But note that the blade is exposed when it's not in use. At number 4, the budget-priced fullstar 5-in-1 is a splendid tool for anyone who needs to minimize counter space usage. It has its very own lid to keep its contents nice and fresh off to the side or chilling in the refrigerator until you're ready to use them. It includes a 1-quart container and is mess-free and user-friendly. However, the slice size is not adjustable. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, composed of culinary-grade material, the KitchenAid Gourmet can make the most novice of cooks feel like a professional chef. It comes with an oversized pusher and a wide trench to help keep all your digits pink healthy and accounted for. It accommodates large fruits and veg and makes uniform cuts consistently. Plus, it stays firmly in place during use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Mandoline slicers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Mueller Austria V Pro is an excellent choice for a busy household. With a simple knob control, this gadget is the real deal when it comes to cutting prep time in half for large family gatherings. The folding legs make it easy to use on a flat surface or over a bowl. It features an adjustable deck and multiple slicing thicknesses. The entire unit is dishwasher safe. And taking the top spot on our list, the bron coucke comes in the classic French design with a stainless steel construction, so it makes a great gift as well as a staple item for chefs who like an elegant aesthetic in their kitchen. Plus, the slope allows for comfortable extended use. It folds flat for compact storage and is equipped with non-slip rubber feet. It allows for hundreds of cut varieties. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Mandoline slicers, or simply click beneath this video.